We know that sound is what God used in creation because the Bible says so. All right? Which means sound communicated life. That means sound is a living thing. Can you see it? Now that is very remarkable because every creature of God therefore has an element of life, even the ones we describe as non-living. The only reason we call them non-living is because we couldn't find measurable life. But God doesn't think so. Let me give you an example. Here God, in the book of Numbers, calls Moses, the people are thirsty, they need water, and God says, I want you to talk to the rock. Tell the rock to bring you water. How could Moses tell the rock to bring him water? Because the rock will respond to Moses. The rock has intelligence. So God says, tell the rock to bring you water. Tell the rock. You see it? But we say it's non-living because man doesn't know how to measure life beyond his biological definitions. He's limited. He's limited.